Oh, that's a bit different, isn't it? So, very short intro. We're going to do a quick plot tour for December. It is going to be quick. There's not a great deal going on out there at the moment, but I do get asked a lot, so we'll have a quick plot tour. Right, so you can see the rhubarb has disappeared. It is still there, look, but there's not a great deal going on there. A lot of people struggle to visualise. I'll see if I can get this. What I was talking about when I said I'm going to put a wire up to tie the rhubarb back to. And that's what I've done there. I've just drilled through the scaffold pole, put some of these long bolts in. I need to get some more of them, but thank you, John, for giving me the ones that I've got. And then obviously another one lower down, and I'll be able to tie the raspberry canes into those, making them a lot easier to harvest. The ground is so cold today. I wanted to get a hoe through here this morning, but it's frozen solid and it's not showing any signs of defrosting anytime soon. But we've got the cabbages in there, the outdoor cabbages. They're overwintering quite nicely, so I really do need to get in there weeded, but I'm not doing it today. It is freezing. And then, like I said, once these cabbages come out, the going in there is going to be the blueberries in pots. They're going to take up sort of that space there. And then this one, I've had a lot of great suggestions with regards to some other fruit that I can put in this space. At the moment, I'm swaying towards jostaberry, but somebody did say, why not pomegranate? And I really like the idea of that. Let me know in the comments below, anybody who's grown pomegranate in the UK, and whether it's a worthwhile crop. So here we've got what's going to be the black currants. So we've got the two mother plants down there that I took a load of cuttings off, and that's going to fill up that space there. Nothing here. I've not had a chance to dig it over because of work. What's Sasha caught? Don't know. Sasha's over there killing something, I think. Or no, she's pulling a stick apart. Yeah, never got a chance to dig that over. I'm not happy, but it is what it is. Onions, you know, you can't really see much, but they are growing away. Broad beans, overwintering broad beans are doing quite well, look. Quite happy with that. They should be now big enough and strong enough to fend off anything that attacks them. So quite happy with that. I managed to finish off the blueberries. So they're all now potted up into their final destinations, their final living destinations. The asparagus bed, nothing going on there. The Swedes and everything that was in here all got eaten at Christmas. So that's empty. So there's really not much to show you guys. The strawberry bed, it's fully dormant. That bed, empty, empty, empty and empty up the back there. Got the spring bulb bed, little bit of activity going on in the spring bulb bed. Some grass still growing through, we'll deal with that. But starting to see some shoots, which is a little bit concerning. There's nothing in there. Sorry, that back bed isn't empty. It's got the elephant garlic in, but it's not showing up yet. And then this has got, I think, just normal garlic and a random crocus that survived me sorting it out. So we've managed to get some more done for the new chicken run. Thank you, Marcus, for coming down and helping me break the back of this bit up the back here. As you can see, there's like 2 foot to come out back there. So that took quite a bit of doing. Thank you again, Marcus. You're a star. The spring onions slash these are senshus. The Pompeii, the silver skins are now starting to look a bit healthier. I was a bit worried about them. They didn't seem to be doing much. The lettuce, the overwintering lettuce, all got eaten. The Paris carrots, they're the globe carrots. Not much doing there. The collies, these are obviously these are the same collies that are planted outside. Obviously, I mean, there's no head in them yet, but they are bigger plants. Sasha just stealing a carrot. The parsnips that I wanted for Christmas Day, they didn't come to much. There were also, in fact, there's one that I pulled up to test. They are tiny, but they'll stay in there and they'll be ready when they're ready. You know, I'm more than happy for them to stay there until springtime. The carrots, however, the ones down here, the Nantes that were in here, we harvested a bucket, we had them Christmas Day. In fact, I've got some Autumn King lettuce in here. I could fit them in somewhere, I'm quite sure. We've got some more sensual onions back there. And that is literally it. Like I say, whistle stop tour. But there's not a great deal going on in winter. You can see all the timber in the greenhouse that I've been cutting for the new chicken run. I've got a couple more left to chop up. And that is it. That is all the wood cut up. I just need to get it actually down here and get all the frames put together. But first I need to dig out that trench for the rest of the flagstones, for the wood to sit on, so that it doesn't rot out quite as quickly. So yeah, guys, when I said it was going to be a really quick plot tour, it is a really quick plot tour. This may well end up not being a video on its own. This may well be put into something else. Might be the giveaway announcement video. In fact, yes, it's going to be the giveaway announcement video. So I'll get back inside the shed and I'll film the rest of the giveaway announcement and what you need to do. So I'll see you in a sec. I'll get set up. Right, let me get the prizes. So this is meant to have been, and I'm sorry, this is meant to have been the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're now closer to 1,300. And I'm sorry I didn't get around to doing this sooner. It was literally a case of I wanted to film it at home and I forgot to take the seed tin home. Then I took the seed tin home. I thought, oh, I'll film my thing down the plot today. Forgot to take it down the plot today. Sorry, long story short. Sorry. Right. So in this giveaway is a brand new copy of Alan Buckingham's Allotment Month by Month. In my opinion, the best allotment book, especially for a newbie, but equally as valuable for somebody who is more experienced. I was going to say somebody who knows, who says they know what they're doing. And then also is my used, primarily because in actual fact I couldn't get you a new one, but I don't use this anymore, so rather than it sit and go to waste, it might as well come to one of you who's getting set up. I mean, this when it was new was about £50. It's a metal, solid metal, Bergen & Ball seed tin. I modified it slightly. I put a couple of hinges on the back. If you want to take them off, there's just some bolts. They're not welded. And inside is a load of seeds from Grow Seed, from the magazines, so Kitchen Garden, from Sutton's. There's loads, there's all sorts in here. There's beans, there's broccoli, there's beetroot, there's herbs, there's flowers, I think. Chard from Real Seed. Some of them have been in there a little while, but most of them are brand new seeds. The seeds are just in there because they're in there. They're going with it as well. Also, if you want, the winner will have to let me know what they want. You can either have a grapevine or 2 blackcurrant saplings or younglings that I've harvested this year. The cuttings that I've harvested this year. Or if you want, I suppose you can have one of each. So the grapevines or the blackcurrant cuttings. There may be an option of a fig cutting in there, but I'm not too sure if they've taken yet, so I can't promise that. But that is what is in this giveaway. And simply, all you have to do, somewhere in this video, some text will have cropped up in the video. I say some text because I'm not too sure what it's going to be. All you have to do is comment down below what that text is, and you have to comment on YouTube. You must comment on YouTube. I know that may be excluding some people, but I would like to point out, if you've come across from Facebook, or if you've got a Gmail account or a Google Mail account, all you have to do is click on sign up on YouTube and click on either log in with Google or log in with Facebook. You don't then need to do very much. You don't then, then you don't need to do very much at all. I think there's a couple of tick boxes. You put username and password in, and then wabam, you've got a YouTube account. You'll be able to then comment on my videos. You'll be able to then subscribe. You'll be able to then click like, and you'll be able to then mock me in the comments for all the mistakes that I make. But you must comment down below on this video. The competition is open from the go live of this video. I will then pick a winner on a live stream. Let me just have a look at the dates here. I will then pick the winner on a live stream. Let me have a look at the calendar. Calendar. Where are we for the end of this January? Oh, that's handy. I will then pick a winner on a live stream on January the 31st. My plan is to use a comment picker. I've not used a comment picker before, so go easy on me. But I will use a comment picker to pick a winner at random from all the comments down below. And I say all the comments, there's probably going to end up in like 3. Please don't make it so. Share this video. Help me get as many people into this conversation and as many people into the growing culture, and as many people into my videos, and yada yada yada, as we can. Please do share. I'm not making that a requirement. I'm just asking very nicely. Please do share the video. And get some people into this competition. So comment down below the text. It will have been during the plot tour that popped up on screen. And that is your entry. That's all you've got to do. Remember to comment on YouTube, not on Facebook. Facebook entries will not count. So that's it. That's that. That's done. Plot tour giveaway finally done. I'm so sorry that it's taken me so long to get that sorted. We've got a couple of videos coming up from home. We're going to be sowing some aubergines at home. And I think there's some other stuff I want to sow. As well as we'll be going through what I hope to be sowing, or the main things I hope to be sowing in 2020. And you will notice a trend with those seeds. They're all from one group of people in particular. Not sponsored, but they very kindly sent me the seeds free of charge. So we will be going through that in the next video. That's going to be it from me, guys. I'll see you later.